Way. You know what? I'm just gonna say to best pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo, G. Macasandil, Jeffrey Asejo, Angelo Bonsa, including Paulo Cruzada. Why can't all of you just stop harassing Shania Kiana, Joseph Maspinas? If you say about either all of you are asking a question. They said, asa anong sabaw? Oh, we don't have a soup. There's no soup in the group chat in Facebook, in even in Messenger. There's no soup. How would you ever find a soup anyway? Oh, if you ask anyone to Ma'am Jessa Fernandez, or if you ask to anyone to 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 Nanay Net, o they cook soup o sabaw. If all of you ask to Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos, or she can cook soup o sabaw, o me, we have her soup anyway, o we have a soup sinigang na salmon, o my favorite, o it's a soup. What is all of you want a soup? For me, I do not like soup anyway. Me, I like a soup. Oh, I like a soup. Oh, tom yum is a soup. Oh, there's everywhere a soup. Oh, even in uh, even in the malls. So there's lots of soup. Oh, ramen is a soup. Oh, Ichiran is a soup. Everywhere is a soup. Oh, what is the meaning about the soup? Oh, Bomber Nando, I remember his mother, she cooks a soup eh. My mother can cook a soup anyway, oh. When I got illness, oh, sinigang, oh, tinola, oh. That is not quite you make soup. Well, it's just a soup. You say in TikTok, oh, like Baron Geyser said it, oh, asaan ang sabaw, oh. That was a segment in Provinciano. Why all of you want a soup? Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, G. Macasandil, Angelo Bonsa, including Paulo Cruzada. Why all of you want a soup? Well, for me, I like soup anyway. O Buddy Castro likes soup. Buddy Castro and his relatives and his family, they're eating in buffet, or in in Vikings, or in SM North. There's lots of soup there. I mean, during my birthday, we went to Vikings Pasay. I also got miso soup, sabaw, soup. Why all of you want soup? Yoshinoya has a soup also. Miso. What all of you want a soup? Oh, and then you blame, all of you blame Aiza Bancula, Joseph Maspinas, Wawel Romero. Hi, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jr., Jean Asejo, G. Macasandil, Angelo Bonsa, Jeffrey Asejo, and Paulo Cruzada. Do not blame, all of you should never blame Joseph Maspinas, Wawel Romero, including Aiza Bancula. That was a girlfriend of Teacher Vince. And even others. So if all of you blame Ate Mel Canete, if she never cooks a soup, she will sue against all of you. Like I said, why all of you want asking a question about a soup? Oh, Why all of you are saying, asaan ang sabaw? Are all of you are imitating that TikTok contenter, Kuya Isak Monday, who's a Nigerian national who loves soup? I love soup anyway. I taste the soup anyway in everywhere have a soup. Oh, I taste bulalo. Oh, bulalo is soup. Oh, Tagaytay. Oh, I've been there in Tagaytay. Oh, I've been there in Bataan. Oh, Lacola. There's lots of soup. Oh, even there's lots of soup in any kind of restaurants. There's lots of soup. Oh, ramen. Oh, ramen is a soup. Oh, even everywhere has lots of soup. Oh, there's lots of soup. Oh, even my friend Stepan Pimentel. Oh, he likes a soup ramyun. Oh, me, I like ramyun. It's just a soup. There's nobody can ask soup. Why can't all of you ask the blogger? Why can't you ask the blogger Ninong Ri? Oh, he's a chef. Oh, even Chef Boy Logro. Oh, he can learn how to cook a soup. Oh, ask Panlasang Pinoy. Oh, the Filipino American blogger, my fellow Filipino American blogger who makes a soup. Oh, who's living in Texas. Panlasang Pinoy, my fellow Filipino American there, who likes making soup. Oh, you want to ask making a soup? Oh, you make a soup of everyone. Oh, there's a lot of soup. Oh, it's just a soup. You remember Joseph Maspinas lives in Davao. He tastes salmon sinigang. Oh, when his mother cooks a soup. Oh, it's just a soup. Like I said in Tagalog, kahit isang sabaw, like I said anyway, it's really a soup. It's just a soup. Oh, there's lots of soup everywhere. Oh, even in a restaurant, even in Tom Yum, oh, there's lots of soup. Everywhere has lots of soup. And please, all of you, best pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo, Jima Casandil, Jeffrey Asejo, Angelo Bonsa, and Paulo Cruzada. Please, all of you, stop blaming Joseph Maspinas, Aiza Vancula. Stop blaming them, all of you. You're harassing them. They didn't learn how to cook a soup. Oh. Can you just leave them alone? Stop blaming them making a soup. Sheesh.